Susanna Reid made a rather sarcastic comment about Meghan Markle on Thursday's Good Morning Britain after watching a clip of her latest television interview. It was revealed on Wednesday that the former Suits actress had made an appearance on the Ellen DeGeneres Show, as a short clip was released to tease viewers. As Susanna began hosting Thursday's Good Morning Britain, she was keen to discuss the clip with her co-host Ben Shepherd. "Now, let's turn our attention to another chat show, and that is the Ellen Show. And Meghan has made an appearance," Susanna said. "Now, the last time we saw," Susanna continued, before clearing her throat and saying, so slightly discombobulated, "The last time we saw Meghan on a chat show, she was doing the big reveal on Oprah. That was quite a quiet affair, wasn't it? The fallout from that one?" Ben then said sarcastically. "Goodness me, she put a rocket under practically everything, frankly, from the royal family to this program," Susanna replied. "Well, shall we have a little listen to what Meghan says? They have released one clip from this show. The show goes out today," the mother of three continued. "You would imagine that they would put out a clip perhaps about Harry, or perhaps her feelings about the royal family, or perhaps about everything that has happened in the wake of that. But no, we go right back to her humble, hard-working roots. Let's have a look," she added. The duo then viewed a clip from the upcoming Ellen interview in which Meghan recalls visiting the set, where the Ellen Show is filmed, to audition for roles during her acting career. She speaks about the Ford Explorer she used to drive, which had a key that often stopped working, meaning she had to climb into the car through the boot. Meghan also jokes about how when she was an actress, the security guards at the film set would tell her break a leg as she turned up for auditions, and adds, "The drive-in today was very different." As the camera cut back to the GMB studio, Susanna said sarcastically, "There we go, let's never mind the private jets." However, she was keen to talk about more pressing issues and added, "Look, there are very serious things to talk about this morning." Good Morning Britain airs weekdays at 6 a.m. on ITV and ITV Hub.